This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Ghost version 4 up and running. First, you'll need a server. Select a hosting provider that offers at least 2 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Once your server is ready, establish a secure connection using an SSH client. Remember to perform all subsequent steps as a non-root user with sudo privileges for enhanced security. Next, we'll install the essential software. Begin by installing Node.js, Nginx, and MySQL 8.0 on your server. These are crucial for Ghost to function correctly. After that, use the Node Package Manager, or NPM, to install the Ghost command line interface globally. This tool simplifies managing your Ghost instance. Always confirm that all components are installed successfully before moving on. Now, let's get Ghost itself onto your server. Start by creating a dedicated, empty directory where your Ghost blog will reside. Then, use your terminal to navigate into this newly created directory. Once inside, simply run the Ghost install command. This initiates the automated setup, downloading and configuring the Ghost platform for you. It's a straightforward process that gets your blog's foundation in place. Finally, you're ready to configure and launch your Ghost blog. The installation process will prompt you for a few key details. Be sure to enter your domain name and a valid email address, which is essential for setting up SSL and securing your site. Once these steps are complete, you can open your web browser, navigate to your domain, and see your brand new Ghost blog live and ready for content. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.